Guys, today I will be explaining about using Google Trends. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser in your computer, just like I open my Chrome browser. And once your browser will be open, in the search bar you have to search for Google Trends. On the top you will see the main website of Google Trends. Just click on it, and this one is the main website of Google Trends. If you take a look on the right top, you will see your profile by which you sign in. And on the left top, you can see the option of home, explore, and trending now. You can also check the trending thing by using Google Trends. Just click on it. And these are the trending thing. The location is set to Pakistan. It's my own country. You can also change the location by clicking on it and change your location. This result is for about 24 hours. Click on it, and also you can change the time and you will get the trending thing for that specific time. This one is all trend. Tap on it and you can check your trend. Using Google Trends, you can also check the trending about application. And how can you do it? Tap on the option home, and here you can search for your specific location. Just like I want to know about Blum, it's trending or not. So what I need to do, I need to click here, and here I need to write Blum. After writing, tap on this option explore. The selected country is Pakistan, so I will tap on it and will select worldwide. Now this one is the interest over time of past day. So I click on it and will change it to past 30 days. Let's scroll down, and here you can see its trending is Nigeria and also in Ethiopia. And the third one is my own country, Pakistan. So it means it's trending. And if I scroll down, the related topics is doxing, shard, and also the track. So by using Google Trend, you can know about any app, means is that trending or not. And it was the way by which you can use Google Trend.